Hey guys, and this is Sarabish back again in a new video about a Nikon Coolpix L110, and we are going to review this camera. So first of all, I have a you want a two 4AA batteries or rechargeable batteries, as well as a memory card. I'm rightly using in a 4 GB memory card as an example, and you can see the on button right here, and you can see the flashlight here, and you have a stereo here, and you have a click button here, and we have all the controls right here. You can see the controls. Let me focus it. So you can see all the controls of this camera, and but the disadvantage of this camera is that it have a huge display, so you will not get that much battery performance. That's a huge disadvantage, I think, in on my opinion. And the battery backup is about 1 to 1.5 hours in my usage, but I don't know about your usage. But anyway, I think this camera will give up to 2 hours for a normal usage. And guys, this having a 15x optical zoom, that's really so nice. But I will not say this is that much high, but anyway, it's mid. Okay, it's okay to zoom, and we tend to see some clear images up to and such distances. And guys, that's all about this camera. So let me show some images taken in this camera. So come on, let's see. So you can see the images taken in this camera. So I think it's really nice, and I'm zooming off and zooming out. It's really nice. This camera is really doing a good job, and we have a rope right here to lift this camera, and that's really so nice, guys. And talking about the megapixel of this camera, this is 12 MP camera, so you will not get that much clarity, but anyway, it's good for personals and individuals. But I don't suggest this camera for photographers because it won't make me that much short images. But anyway, it's good for individuals, and you can see a wide lens here, so you can catch up to wide images. And guys, you can see the battery port here, and you can insert the memory card right here, and you can pull it off. And guys, talking about the quality of this camera, it's very rigid, and it is made with thick plastic, so you will not get it will resist most of the damages. But I will not say this will resist the damage if it's fallen from the high one floor or 2 floors, but I don't say about that. But this thing will resist up to small damages like this. And I think that's all about this camera. And I will suggest this camera for individuals, but I don't suggest this camera for photographers. You will get please get some good cameras up to, and you can invest up to 3k extra, and you can buy some new good cameras. But anyway, this is very good camera, so I have provided the link to buy this camera in my description box, and you can check it out. And guys, signing off, this is Sarabish, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it and comment it, and share it to your friends. And thank you for your kind precious time to watch this video. So guys, signing off, and this is Sarabish.